Welcome to the Microsoft Tips Showcase, where we provide quick, single-topic videos on how to do something within a Microsoft-related tool, such as SharePoint, Dynamics, Office, etc. SV MacPack is a certified veteran-owned and hub-zone consulting firm supporting primarily the U.S. federal government. In support of our customers' need to maximize the value of the tools they currently invest in, we started creating related videos. We hope these videos help you as well. In this video, you're going to learn how to change a site's look. That's the color and some of the fonts. We'll move quickly to keep the video short, but don't worry. If you don't get it the first time, you can watch the video again and to really understand this lesson. Let's go ahead and get started by going to a SharePoint team site. So a standard team site comes out and this is what it looks like. I'm going to leave this page open for a second and go to another tab just so we have that original look saved on a tab. I'm going to show you how to change the look and feel here. So you go up to the gear icon, Site Settings, and we're going to go back to the Look and Feel section anytime we want to change things. And right here, it's so easy to see. It says Change the Look. Let's go ahead and click on it. This is a quick way for non-developers to be able to change the look and feel of a SharePoint site. And you're able to revert back. So let's pick pink, for example. It allows us to see kind of what's going on. A lot of times, you can't totally see it there, so let's go ahead and try it out. One of the things to keep in mind, so this is what it looked like originally. I'll keep it there for a second. And it's got a design preview, and it's telling you that you can revert back in a second. So let's go ahead and look at what's it look like now. And that's cool. It's got a cool look and feel to it. Right here is what it looked like before. That blue. Now you see the pink. Here, it's really easy. You say yes, keep it, and it just locks it in. You say no, not quite there. Perhaps we don't want this pink. Maybe we're looking for a little more green. So let's go ahead and start over. And you can come down here and maybe choose, look at this one. This looks like a little more like a granite, or this is wood. I guess I could have read the name. But wood, and I'm going to say try it out. I'm not going to go through every option for you. That's really up to you on what you want your site to look like. I'm just trying to give you a quick tip on how you can make it look nice. And this is pretty awesome. So you see what it looks like here. You notice the tiles that are in our Getting Started web part here, the documents. You see all how that looks. Now watch as I switch back to the original. Kind of makes it yours, doesn't it? And you can do that with a lot of activity in there. One thing to keep in mind is this sweep bar sometimes gets hijacked by Office 365 administrators who can make it look like just one thing. Let's go ahead and do one more thing. I want to say not quite there. I just wanted to show you one last part of the changes you can do. In here it shows you the layout and the fonts. So we have a Georgia font chosen. You could choose, let's choose Gothic, right? And then the colors, you can begin to modify them yourself. Let's go ahead and try that out. So it's giving you this flexibility to choose some of the basic choices that would be done by a developer using SharePoint Designer, etc. So here comes the look and feel. Let's see what it looks like. And there you go. It's a little more traditional looking, but it's got our wood background that might make it a little more friendly to your users. Clearly, I am not a graphic design person, but I am showing you what's there. I'm going to revert this back now because I don't want to cancel it. I mean, I don't want to change my demo site's look and feel. I'm going to get out of that particular area. And now we're back here, and I've got my original look. So that was how to change a site's look. And that concludes this lesson. I hope you found the tip useful as you continue to use Microsoft-related products in support of your day-to-day job. Please provide me with feedback in the comments, letting me know how I can make the Microsoft Tips Showcase channel and actual tips more useful to you. Feel free to suggest tips so we can create for you, and we'll get them on the schedule. Finally, if you found this review helpful, please share it with others on one of the social media platforms. I'm your host, Neil McDonald with SV MacPack. I thank you for joining me today and hope you'll join me again for other tips.